na walang kalaban. Sino yan? Si Samuel. Pass to James. Pass to Janjan. To Leo. Leo wala na ako ni Janjan pa rin. Janjan to James. Sa gitna. To Leo. Chill lang. Pinasok. Layup good for Sue. Last 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Eto na si Lawrence. Lawrence to Jonas. Dire-diretso na ako ni James. James to Leo. Hindi binabantayan ni Lawrence. Oy! Oh! What a move! Eto na si Jonas. Ankle breaker move yun na. 52-44 in a favor of white team. Kakaunti na. Eto si Marvin. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Marvin good for 2. Last 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Leo layup. Wala pa rin. Nako ni Lawrence. Up. Lumabas ang bola. Eto na, nakuha nito yan to Lawrence. Kuya Jonas. Dribbling the ball, binabantayan ni Sels. 15 to shoot, naago ni Leo. Si Janjan. Last 2 minutes. 15 to shoot. Ay, nakuha ni Lawrence. Lawrence pass break to Marvin, check by Janjan. Nakuha ni Samuel. Samuel, inaagaw ni Lawrence. Janjan sa tres, wala. Okay, lumabas ang bola kanina po. White ball. Good for 2 by Marvin. Last 1 minute and 24 seconds. 56-44, tama ba? 3 points by James. Last 1 minute and 5 seconds. Kuya Jonas. Check by Samuel. Samuel pass to Leo. 19 to shoot. Leo sa ilalim, wala na ulit yan. 48 seconds. Lumabas ang bola. Kanino po? White ball. 40 seconds. Eto na si Marvin. Marvin wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Sels. 30 seconds. Leo. Pass to James to Janjan. Janjan sa tres. No. Nakuha ni Lawrence. 17. 50 to shoot. Last 13 seconds na po.
13 seconds.
10.
Hoy, laruin nyo lang.
5.
Bantay.
3, 2, 1. And end of the third quarter.
Sam, baliktad.
14 to shoot. Kuya Jonas, wala na. Waring Janjan. Jambol daw, jambol. White ball, white.
Ginay!
15 to shoot. Marvin now.
Baba, anay! Baba!
Ito na si Leo.
Bantay.
Leo pass to Samuel to James. James sa 3-point. Tatlo na ang alamangan. 56-53. And na si Lawrence. Lawrence, pick. Lawrence first down. Nawa ni Marvin. Marvin pass to Lawrence na naman sa 3-point. 3 points. 59-53. And na si Jan, spin off, pass to between. Jan sa gitna pa rin. 10 to shoot. Between sa 3 points. 59-56. Sila. Tatlo na pa rin kalamangan. Last 7 minutes. Ito na nakuha ng kalaban. 7 minutes and 15 seconds. Layo pass to between. Pass to James. Pass to Jan. Wala pa rin nakuha ni between. 10 to shoot. Pick. Nakuha ni Kuya Lizam. Pass break to Marvin. Good for 2. 61-56. Last 7 minutes and 30 seconds between pass to Jan. Jan sa gitna. Is it 2 points? Kuya Lizam. Check by Samuel. Samuel dire-diretso layup. Good for 2. Kakalhati na. 61-60. Eto na si Lawrence. Pick. Ang ganda na. Tira. Nakuha ni Leo. Ready. Eto na. Uli Kuya Lizam. Dire-diretso to Marvin. Marvin is it 2 points. Last 6 minutes and 40 seconds between. Pass to Jan sa 3-point. Wala. Nakuha ni Leo. Ano po yun? Okay, red ball. Jump. Time out. White team. Time out. Red ball, red.
Kailangan na red ball triple.
Jan. No, nakuha ni MM. Check by Jan. Lumabas ang bola. Okay, Kuya Lizam. Kuya Lizam, dire-diretso. Inaagawan ng dalawa. Pass to Kuya Jonah sa 3-point. No, nakuha ni MM. 9 seconds shoot. Okay, nakuha ni Leo. Last 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Layup now. Nakuha ni Kuya Lizam. Pass to Marvin. Naagawan ng 3. Marvin good for 2. 65-60. Last 5 minutes and 13 seconds. Samuel pass to James. Pass to Samuel. Check by Kuya Lizam.
Daddy is playing.
Last 5 minutes and 17 seconds. Kuya Jonah sa gitna. Layup. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni John. Dire-diretso. Spin mo pass to James. Ang ganda ng pasa. Hindi na po. 65-62.
3 points lang.
Last 5 minutes. Okay, wala. Kuya Jonah for the putback. Good for 2. Last 4 minutes and 52 seconds.
4 minutes na
67-62. Eto na Jan. 10 to shoot. 3-point. No. Nakuha ni Kuya Jonah to Marvin. Marvin dire-diretso ni layup. Wala. Nakuha ni Kuya Lizam. Kuya Lizam layup is 2 points. 69-62 in favor of white team. Last 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Samuel fake. Pass to between. To Jan. Dire-diretso sa gitna. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni Lawrence to check by between. Last 4 minutes and 3 seconds. Last 4 minutes. 15 to shoot.
Sige.
Good.
Walang kuan.
Oh.
Pito.
Ni Lawrence. Good for 2 by Marvin.
Walang pito.
Last 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Leo, wala pa rin.
Wala nga sa buloy.
Inalat ng mga bata. Lumabas ang
Grabe
bola.
din. Orange. Menga.
Eto na. Jan. Uy! Uy! Oh no! No. Check by Gabriel between. Nako ni Marvin. Nagpaganda pa. Good for 2. 73-62. Last 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Jan. Binabantay ni Leonard. Wala pa rin. Pinasa sa labas. Red ball pa rin. Uy! Piso. Kuya Lizam. Last 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Good for 2. 75-62. Last 2 minutes and 38 seconds. Eto na. Samuel, check by Kuya Jonard. Good for 2 by Marvin. 77-62. Last 2 minutes and 21 seconds. Samuel. Lumabas ang bola. Wait lang. Ano yan?
Menga.
Last 2 minutes and 13 seconds. Nagkatapon ng katubig na. Ayan na. Time to shoot between. No.
Kaya nga, oy.
Nako ni Kuya Jonard. Last 2 minutes. I fake. Mars. Good for 2. 79-62. Last 1 minute and 53 seconds. Kaya good for 2. Last 1 minute and 45 seconds. Kuya Lizam dribbling the ball. Sa 3-point wala na ako ni Marvin. Marvin the Foggy Lucky Boy. Good for 2. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds.
1 minute na.
Balik. Dayan. Ben. Vamos, Dayan.
Wala. Miscommunication. Last 1 minute and Marvin, wala pa rin.
Menga, pasa.
1 minute and 10 seconds.
Sayang ang ilang mga bola.
Substitution, rep.
Ay.
Substitution. 59 seconds.
Chicos, palabrotas.
59 seconds.
Chicos, palabrotas, eh. No. Buena!
Wala.
Menga.
52 seconds. Oh! Subal-pal. So 3-point now. 40 seconds.
30 seconds.
35. 17 to shoot. MM. 14 to shoot.
Libata!
Ano po yan? Ano ka ba? Good for 2.
Muy bien!
Last 24 seconds. 20 seconds. 15. 5. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1.